Hey guys, so we got this cheap microscope from Amazon, and for this video we're going to be seeing how well it works. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like or a comment. First I'll take a look at some raw lepidolite. This is Earth's most common lithium-bearing material. Lepidolite can only form in geochemical environments where high concentrations of lithium are available. Because these situations rarely occur, lepidolite is considered a rare mineral. Next, I'll look at some polished lapis lazuli. This piece has plenty of calcite crystals and shiny pyrite, also known as fool's gold. Now let's look at a piece of raw rainbow moonstone. Rainbow moonstone and moonstone are both types of feldspar. They both have predominantly blue flashes, but rainbow moonstone can show other colors such as yellow, orange, and purple. I think I need to polish this stone in order to really see those colors. Next is a piece of polished marble. White marble is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. It consists of interlocking grains of calcite. Impurities in the limestone can recrystallize during metamorphism, resulting in mineral impurities in the marble. Most common impurities include graphite, pyrite, quartz, mica, or iron oxides. Now we'll take a look at some raw fluorite. This is an important industrial mineral composed of calcium and fluorine. In the mining industry, fluorite is often called fluorospar. A single crystal may have zones of different colors that follow the contour of the crystal faces. Last for this video is sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock made of grains of sand that have been naturally cemented together. This is a common rock found all around the world, especially in areas where there is a lot of sand accumulation, like down here in Florida where we found this sample. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like. Okay, see you later.